All right.
Okay.
Hey, team.
Hi, guys.
How are you? What do you think? I think we're off to a pretty good start.
I think we're off to a great start.
Hard to believe it's 2 years, huh?
Well, just remember where we started and all that was happening in our country. And I think the thing that has motivated us is the resilience, the determination of the American people.
Yeah, they stuck with us.
Right?
I mean,
I wish people could see what I see sometimes. Yeah. I've been in the Oval Office with you when the cameras are there, and mostly when the cameras are not, and what you have singularly done based on who you are, and I mean this in all sincerity, to bring together nations, allies in the world, and you bring folks together in a bipartisan way, uniquely.
Well, you're very
You've been
gracious.
an incredible leader these last 2 years.
I really think, as you've heard me say, foreign leaders, there's never been a good bet to bet against America.
Yeah.
We created almost 11 million jobs, 750,000
Right.
manufacturing jobs.
Think about that, and on top of capping the cost of insulin at $35 a month, what we've done, we have created more small businesses in the last 2 year span than any 2 year span in history.
I feel good. And look, we're in a situation as well where we've kind of united the world in a way it hadn't been for a while. And I think people are starting to realize that what you and I have been saying, there's not a damn thing we can't do if, in fact, we do it together. More African Americans have health care, more women are employed in decent jobs.
And how about the fact that there is now a name that the world knows, and the name is Justice Ketanji Brown Jackson.
And more appellate court female judges who are
Right.
black than all other presidents in American history.
Yeah.
I feel good about where we are.
It's
really
groundbreaking.
We've got a lot
momentum.
more to do.
We got momentum.